If you want to earn money on internet, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, you have to be consistent. Post every day. Don't get tired, especially when you are starting a page. On YouTube, you have to be patient because sometimes you can post for a year, you are getting 0 views. But next year, maybe you post for a year, but you can see there is improvement of 2 views or 10 views. Is the improvement because YouTube doesn't give the views very easy. But on Facebook, when you are consistent, maybe after 6 months or 10 months, you can see there is a change. They start giving you 100 views if we are consistent, because Facebook, they can show that we are putting effort. So on TikTok is faster than other apps because you can connect with your Facebook, and your Facebook friends, they can show your video. I see TikTok is faster, but TikTok doesn't pay. The problem is TikTok doesn't pay. But Instagram need more patience because Instagram can took some of the years to have got views, to have got followers. So it depends by the app. You can show that you can start earning on Facebook, but on Instagram you don't earn money. Maybe you can took 5 years, but on Facebook, if your content is doing good, guys, Facebook is very fast when it comes to earn money. Sometimes Facebook can open monetization for you. You have got 1,000 followers. So it depends. When you are putting effort, people are sharing your video are good, or you are talking sense to people, they are sharing your video is amazing. You can start earning money on Facebook within 5 months. But on YouTube, it takes time. It depends. Maybe you have got more followers on Facebook. You can post a link on Facebook or your YouTube link. Yes, it's very fast to post YouTube link. So it depends. It needs more patience to earn money on social media, guys. It's not easy. If you see those people who have got million and million of followers, those people, they are earning money. It was not an easy journey for them. It needs a person who have got patience. Especially Facebook, we have got many restrictions. Sometimes you can say you are happy, you are excited that you are going to earn money, but there is a problem of payouts. There is a problem, maybe something you are doing, you don't know that on Facebook they don't allow the kind of the videos you post. Maybe you do a one mistake, they started restricting you to give you 3 months without earning money. So it needs patience. When you have got patience, you will see after 5 years or 6 years, you are starting getting better to feed your kids. Yes, other people, guys, they are earning money on those apps. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, they are making a lot of money, guys, because of their patience. If you look where they don't have views, 2 views, 3 views, and again 100 views, 1,000 views, 10,000 views. You understand? Guys, it took years sometimes to have got more followers, but you can do it and make it. Well, if you want to make money on social media, on those apps, not to be lazy, because doesn't want a person who is lazy. If you post the same video you are doing, you can post it on Facebook, the same video YouTube, the same video Instagram and TikTok. You understand? Because you have to post all those apps. You don't know, maybe YouTube can quickly open monetization for you. You don't know. You understand? It needs a person who is very patient. You can show it that you are going to do better to make money on that social media. People, guys, nowadays to get jobs, especially in Africa, it's so difficult. But when you buy your data, you are using your phone. Guys, you can make money with your small phone, even it's Android. And because other people, content creators, they don't start with those iPhones. Most of them, they start with those small phones, and they are upgrading, and now they afford to buy an iPhone to do content.